time to party. This is actually my second attempt to do this technique and get results that I am happy with. We're doing a Dutch pour, and I've increased the size of my canvas to 16 inch by 20 inch. So I'm not going to beat myself up about not getting it the first time this time. But fingers crossed, toes crossed, whatever, that it goes better this time. I did go with a lighter background this time. It is a custom color. I will give information about it in the description with the other colors information. Before we got started, I wanted to show you my last reverse dip flower. I had told you in my video that when I created this painting that I would share it when it was dry, and this is it. The contrast between the warm colors and cool colors makes it very different. So I am going to keep it. I'm not sure about putting a top coat on it yet. I haven't decided. I've got so many paintings that are varnished and ready to sell, and no one's buying them. So I'm going to maybe not put one on here until I know somebody's going to buy it. So if anybody's interested in this painting, just comment, or I will have my email listed in the description where you can contact me. Also, real quick, I wanted to show you my last Dutch pour. It was really pretty when it was wet, but look at it now. And this also points out how things change after they dry. But, I mean, it's gorgeous, but look at those metallics. And there's no top coat or anything on this yet. This one, I like it so much. It definitely will get varnished, even if somebody doesn't contact me about wanting it, because I absolutely love it, and it will go up on my wall if nothing else. You know, hopefully that won't be the case, but I'm not going to be upset if that's what happens, because I really like that one a lot. Okay, now let's get started on this baby. What to start with? Okay. This one I think I'm going to put over all of them. Need to put more right there. Okay. Same thing with this one, maybe. Not quite as much of this one. This one I'm going to put right here. No, I did not have a plan before I did this. Itch. Okay, and last one. This one is going to go over everything. Okay. All right. Time to hit the heat. I think I'm going to up this way, down this way, up this way, down this way. How's that sound? I'm going to do the up this way first. The cord drives me nuts. That's the worst part about this for me. Base coat there. I will fix that. Okay. I don't know if I need to blow out that part more right here. Don't want to bring it down too much, but I think it can come down a little bit. Let's try it. feel like I need to fix this part. Not liking this here. A little more base coat there again, another spot. Different. This is a little weird right in here. Like it's got a film on it or something. That's weird. That was really strange what that just did. That come up like plastic or something. That was really weird. This unusual background, I think, is also throwing me because any of the other colors in it, is very noticeable. I'm gonna stop with it right there. I probably could blow this out a little more right here, but I'm gonna leave it the way it is. Let me get the camera and give you all a close-up. We're gonna call this one a success. That's 10 times better than the last one was, believe me. The colors aren't quite as distinct as the last one, but it's because my background is a different color. I had a darker color last time, and actually I think I should have stuck with that, but now that I've done this, but it's live and learn, I guess. Okay, let's take a look at this up close. We got lots of cool lacing going on, and these colors look good together, I think. It's really bright in this area. That's my favorite parts are always when they're really, the brighter the better, but then it's not as bright usually when it laces out. But we've got some cool fine lacing going on in even the bright areas. Got some cells popped up, of course. And I haven't even torched this, so looks like I see a little dry spot. Having the camera I always see things with the camera that I didn't necessarily notice. I'll fix that real quick. Okay. I really like the lacing and the cells that we got. It did really well. Did really, really well. My paints are mixed with Floetrol and and school glue, Elmers School Glue. This is really interesting. Really, really interesting. And I will be, I can't wait to see what it's going to look like when it's dry. It's always different. It's nice and bright in this area. We did have some blending of the colors, but a lot of it, stayed separate and true to itself. I love how that light green just pops. You don't need much of it. And then it just, boom, it's there. I love that. Looks like it's glowing. I love it. And this part is very, very soft. And it's got lots of lacing, but it's parts of it are blended, and this part has lots of lacing, and our colors are brighter up here. I love this part. Gorgeous. Very bright. Lots of cells. And then you get down here to this part, and it's more soft. Not as bright. But it gives it a different effect. So overall, it's pretty neat. The middle part is a little odd, but I'm not going to mess with it. It's the middle part that's got that green popping through like it's glowing. So I'm not messing with it. I'm happy with it. So hope you guys have enjoyed it too. That's going to be a wrap for today. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Give me some comments and suggestions, or feedback of any type. Questions, of course. Feel free to share with others who enjoy art and might enjoy this. Also, if you're not subscribed to this channel already, I would really appreciate if you consider doing so. I'd like to have you a part of my party gang, and I haven't come up with a name for followers. That's a little too much for me. If I was into marketing more, maybe I would think that was that was a good idea, but I'm just trying to enjoy the art of this and bring you guys along, and I hope that I can get a little more participation from the people that watch. That would be awesome. So please subscribe and come along and talk to me about the painting, or tell me what kind of painting you're working on, that kind of stuff. It'd be cool to have some interaction. I live alone, and I don't get much, so having a painting community that I can talk with would be nice. So with that said, I'm going to bid you farewell, and I look forward to seeing you at the next paint party. Bye.